guys, hi. I've got Pokemon. And Ross got Shopkins. Okay, I'm unlocking my first. I've got 3 packs and something.
Can I open 1 pack?
Oh no! What the hell? Now I'll let you maybe. Oh, let me just.
Because I like opening packs. I've got Shopkins.
Open yours as well.
I've got a rare one.
Come on. I want to open this. I don't want to scratch this card here. So I'm trying my best to not scratch it. So yes, I'm getting into it. I'm into it. I'm in it.
Oh yeah, you are right. I've got the list. Because always it breaks.
1, 2, and 3. 3 packs. And oh, there's something here. Oh!
I think that's a stamp. A gold one? I don't know. I mean a gold. Maybe it's your...
I don't know.
I don't know.
Probably like a bad. I'm just getting it. Just leaving it next to my Stuart. This Stuart, if you don't know.
From his friend.
Yep, and getting the card out.
I've got a bag.
Whoa, what?
Can I grab
got it out, yes! It's a hollow as well. Look, guys. It's Vivillon, if I pronounce it right.
I wanted the Alakazam one.
Yeah, no. If I pronounce it right, Vivillon, yep.
Vivillon.
And put it in the pocket.
He made pocket.
Bro, it fell down. How dare that butterfly?
It looks like a butterfly, but it's different colour.
I know.
Do you have scissors, bro?
Scissors, yeah.
I need scissors.
Got it.
Because you get to open these.
Okay, the card is in. Oh, and I found a Totodile in my thing. So, first one, Mega Alakazam.
Look what I've got.
Ooh, nice.
It's a charm.
Okay, Mega Alakazam is first one. Let me just get this paper out. Do it. Oh, I think I've got good cards.
Can I open 1
1 minute, no!
Aww.
The code is here. I might give it out someday. For online rewards await you.
I've got these.
So, put the 3 at the front, as everybody does that. And then, okay. Trainer, the little spray. Alright? Ooh! Chinchino!
This
From
is
the
cold.
X-Y.
This Shopkins cold.
Energy
I've
special.
got the cake.
Okay, good. Volby and special LG before that.
The last.
Okay, that's alright. Coffin.
Yeah.
Miniature. Diggler if I get like an EX. Riole. Oh!
What's that?
It's reverse hollow. Larvita and the last one. Umbreon EX! Umbreon EX! Yes! Boom! The best.
It's Mama.
Look at that! Umbreon EX! Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh! She got a real good one. And, oh my god, I cannot believe it.
Can I open 1?
1 minute. I've got the look. Literally look.
Something.
Guys, look. Umbreon EX. Literally. My favorite Eevee. And Vaporeon is
I've
my
got more
second
to
favorite.
open here. Tambourine I've got.
Oh my god,
don't know
that's so
what
cool.
And
And the Holo Larvitar. That tactic, no, reverse Holo. And that tactic actually works. 3 at the front.
I'm wishing that Phil will get a good Pokemon. Wishing well. I don't have any money.
Right.
It's actually a wishing well.
Oh my god. Ridiculous, alright.
And tell me what's that in the comment.
Okay, I'm putting them after the video ends, and yeah, this tactic actually works. I have a seal. I knew what I have a secret. Oh, another code. Like giving them out.
I'm playing.
One,
I'm playing
two,
some
three.
place.
The last one would be good. So yeah. Oh, Chinchino again.
When can I open it? Kazakhstan.
Kangastan.
I call
Kangastan, guys. Yoshon, if I can pronounce it right. Seal.
Donut. I'm finished.
Oh, Fennekin. That's the Pokemon we were talking about. Fennekin.
Finnegan.
Carbink. Man. Dealing. I was literally running to get to this house to make this video. Bronzor Shushers. It's a reverse hollow.
5 for 8.
Reverse hollow Diglett. The last
Do you have a
card
pen?
is. What the?
What's that? I forgot.
What you evolve Snivy and then something else and then that?
Oh my god.
Serpiora.
Can I open the last one?
The
Then
last
we can play card. Oh, you get I finished mine.
I can't look at the.
I had only 50.
I have something purple, I don't know. I'm gonna check the first card then. Oh, it's that one. Spoink. No, here, and then I have a good card. I think I saw one. It was a good card. Another card, so 1, 2, 3. We have the phone. Yep. Okay. Halucha first. Trainer Dawn Fossil Kabuto. Trainer Altier Spirit Link. Spoink. Riolu again. Solar 6.
I've got cake.
Fennekin again. A different version though. Carbink again.
My shop.
Damn! Reverse Hollow Kabuto.
Kabuto. Where's Kabutops?
Oh, no, this is all.
Oh my god.
And here, that. So the best card of this.
My favourite one
I
is the
got-
pad. Is the see-through pad.
The Umbreon EX.
Umbreon's my favourite Eevee.
Mine is as well.
'Cause it's
Bro,
nice.
that was so sick, so yeah.
We can play cards in another video.
I think that's the best pull so far in our career. And yeah, so yeah guys, and we might do another video maybe later another day, and yeah.